welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you've had a fantastic bank holiday weekend. So in today's video, guys, is inspired by autumn and fall. I cannot wait for the seasons to change and hot chocolate weather, pumpkin spice lattes, and chilling when you come home and putting Netflix on. I really cannot wait. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. Grab a cup of tea, grab a coffee, grab a snack, and yeah, let's just get straight into it, guys. Right, lovelies, let's jump straight into it. So I've done my brows. I've used the Rockings Cosmetic brow pencil in my brows, and I've set it with a 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. I love 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. It's my favourite. So I've decided I want to sit down and do a fall kind of makeup. I've picked out this palette to do it because it's got all like the berry tones in there. And I love this palette. I really love it. So it's the Sample Beauty Equalizer Volume 3 palette. I did get my nails done, guys, and they scream fall to me. I absolutely love them. So yeah, sit back, grab a cup of tea, grab a cup of coffee, and let's just jump straight into it, shall we? So I'm going to first, my brushes need cleaning so bad. So I'm gonna get a flat brush. So this is a flat Jessup brush. So it's just a synthetic brush. Taking the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and I'm just going to carve out the brows and put all of it over my lid so we can sort it out for the shadows. So I'm just popping that straight onto the lid and just carving out my brows with that. And I'm not going to set this concealer down because it dries pretty quick on its own, so it doesn't need to be set. I'm back with a damp sponge, and oh my god, this chair, it's going to kill me because it's an old dining room chair, guys, and the leg is literally busted on it. I've got to order myself a new chair. I'll pop a picture up of the chair that I'm thinking of ordering myself. I'm going to get it off Amazon because this chair will literally end up killing me otherwise, because I'm having to sit on it really delicately because the leg's going to fall off and I'm going to be on a heap on the floor in a minute. I can just feel it. So I'm just going to take this small, like, flat fluffy brush. It's the Jessup's Luxe Smoker brush, Smoky Shader. So I'm going to take the Jessup's 234 Luxe Smoky Shader brush and get in the Sample Beauty. I think the shade I'm going to go into is Cherry, like this beautiful purpley colour. I'm going to just pop that at the outer corner. I'm just using really little tapping motions just to place that. I'm not blending. I'm just going to be tapping at the moment just to get that in its placement. Oh, I'm so looking forward to autumn and winter. Oh my god, guys, I'm just looking forward to it so much. Like the hot chocolates and the Netflix nights and putting my pyjamas on with my dressing gown. I need a new dressing gown this winter as well. So I'm going through all of my wardrobe and I want to get myself a new dressing gown this winter. I'm then going to take this big fluffy brush with no product on and just start blending. So I'm just doing little circular and stamping motions just to blend. And if you are new to my channel, hello, or welcome to my channel. I'm not a makeup artist. I may not be doing everything right, but I'm happy. I love playing with makeup. It's my passion. It's one of my favourite things to do is to sit down and just play with makeup. Yeah, I'm not taught or anything. I've just been watching what other people do on YouTube and trying to come up with my own version of it. And then I'm going to take a smaller brush and go into the shade Day, which is like a nice pink colour. I'm just going to pop that on just at the top, just to blend that a little bit more. And then I'm going to go on, which is a really deep dark purple colour, and start popping that on the outer corner and just deepening that up and giving it a bit more depth. And taking that big fluffy brush and just blending and dropping brushes. With a really flat brush, I'm going to go in with a camo concealer and cut the crease. And I can't speak through this bit, guys. I'm now going to take a really pencil brush, small pencil brush, and go into the shade On and stamp that in the outer corner just to darken that up again. Taking the fluffy brush again with no product, and I'm just going to blend around the edges. So I will be popping lashes on, and the lashes I'm going to be using these. I got these from TK Maxx, and the actual name of the brand, so it's this brand on the back, and they're foaming in the style Chloe or Cleo, I think it's Cleo. And they're weightless, volume and curl. Okay, so I'm just going to wait for them to get tacky. I'm just going to curl my lashes. I'm just going to pop this loose pigment on from Incredible. It's You Glow Girl, and it's Ready to Be Famous, loose pigment for eyes, lips and face. Using tapping motions just to place it. Oh, that just looks autumn. Oh my god, I just love it. I'd much prefer autumn makeup than summer. Oh, that just screams autumn to me, guys. That's gorgeous. Okay, they're on. They weren't the easiest lash to put on, guys, not gonna lie, but they're on. For primer, I'm gonna use the One Heck of a Blot by Soap and Glory. This is one of my favourites. It's an oldie, but it is a goodie. And yeah, I love Soap and Glory, especially this primer. I'm going with my little MAC single eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Angelic. I love this eyeshadow. I bought it years ago from TK Maxx. It's just going to give that extra little pop on top of that pigment. And then I'm definitely going to go in with this because I absolutely love it. I am on the hype with it, guys. I love it. I just love it. So this is the Collection Gorgeous Glow Filter Finish Complexion Booster. I've been using this every single day under my makeup, and it just gives you that beautiful, beautiful glow, and I'm obsessed with it, guys. I really am, and I'm going to buy some more because I really love it. So I just blend it in with my hands. And it's so easy just to blend in, and it just gives you that, I mean, my skin is absolutely so glowy. Oh, it's just beautiful. And if you haven't tried it, I definitely 1,000,000% say try it. Foundation. So I'm going to go in with the Collection foundation. So this is the Long Lasting Perfection Glow Foundation, probiotic technology with a dewy finish. This is beautiful. I've got mine in number 4 Extra Fair. I'll splodge some of this all over the face. I wore this to work the other day, and I work in quite a lot of heat, so this lasted all day without any touch-ups, guys. Gonna go in with my sponge and just blend that all out. So I'm not gonna be taking the e.l.f. concealer under my eyes because I think it's too heavy. For under the eyes, I don't like it at all, but for carving out the brows and using it as an eye primer, fantastic. But actually setting it under the eyes, it just seems to cake up on me because that's where I'm quite dry under my eyes, and it tends to crease quite a lot. So I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline Fit Me in number 5 and just popping it in the usual places. And then I'm gonna let that get a little bit tacky. And I'm gonna go in with the Nip and Fab Fix Stick Definition. And I've got this in Cool Taupe. So it's a contour stick. And as we all know, I'm not the best person when it comes to contour because I have no idea if I'm doing it right. So I'm going to take my sponge and always go up in an upward motion so that it pulls the face up. So before I go in with some powder, I'm going to be using this blush. Oh my god, this blush, guys. It is beautiful. So I got this in the Agora box and it's from Rodale and it's a bougie brand and it's gorgeous. It really, really is lovely on the skin and I've been wearing it every single day since I got it, and I can give you my honest opinion. It is absolutely beautiful, and if you want to splurge out on a blush, then a liquid blush, then I'd definitely say pick this one up. It gives you that beautiful, it's like a glowy blush. Oh, it's gorgeous. I'm just going to do it with my sponge and just blend that in. Oh, it's just so nice. I'm going to set that all in place with my trusted Poundland powder. I do not sleep on this powder, guys. This powder is gorgeous. I love this powder so much. Oh, it's such a gorgeous powder. And just powder the rest of my face, setting it all in place. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula. This is the All Star Bronzing Palette. Face palette, so you've got 2 bronzers, 2 highlights and a blush and a setting powder. I'm just going to go into the matte bronzer and place it where I placed the contour stick, and I'm just tapping, not swiping. You just want to tap that in so you don't disturb any of the other products you've already put down. I'm then going to go back in with my sponge and give it a blend. For blush, I'm going to be using my Kevyn Aucoin brush that I got in the Danny De Freitas mystery box, and it looks like this. It is filthy. All my brushes need cleaning, seriously. That on where I put the liquid blush. I don't think I'm going to do anything for the under eye apart from mascara. I don't think I'm going to. I might put a little bit of liner. Oh, we'll get to that bit in a minute. I need to spritz, so I'm going to be using the Maybelline Lasting Fix. This stuff is amazing. While that's doing its thing, we'll do lips, and then the last thing is highlighter. So for lips, the lip liner I'm going to use is my Huda Beauty Lip Contour in Trendsetter. And I'm just going to go around the natural lip line. And we're going for nude, of course, because it's the eyes that are the star of the show. And the lipstick, oh my god, the lipstick. It's the bougie one that I got in the Angora box. Do you remember? In this packaging. How bougie is that? And it's this gorgeous, gorgeous autumn fall brown lipstick. It just looks gorgeous. That is a gorgeous nude. And then I'm going to pop a little bit of concealer in the middle because I love that look of the concealer. Just to lighten it in the middle. And then I need this. So for highlight, I'm going to be using the Sigma that I got in the Danny De Freitas mystery box. This is in Beaming Glow Illuminating Powder in Fairy Dust. And this is the last thing to pop on, guys. So this is the finished look, guys. What do you think? I'm obsessed. I cannot wait for autumn and winter. I really can't wait. I know I've been saying it all the way through this video, guys, but I genuinely cannot wait. So if you've enjoyed today's video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you're updated every time that I upload a video, which is every Wednesday and Sunday here on my channel. And yeah, I will see you in next week's video, guys. Bye!